こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka 先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about praying form です。Yes, if you are in upper beginner level or intermediate level learners, maybe you've heard this expression once or twice. Yes, this is, I have to tell you, this です is a bit tricky. Yes, I know. And then actually they have several meanings. So in this video, I show you one of them. Yes, but if you know it, it's very easy to understand. Yes, okay. So let's start. The praying form in some textbooks, it's called short form, but it's like using short version, not ending mas or des. Ending. Yes. So for example, if you use verbs, it changes to the present tense is dictionary form. Present tense negative is nai form. Past tense is ta form, and then past tense negative is nakatta form. These are called plain form or plain style. Okay. So this is use these plain forms. So, and then this ending adds the meaning. I reveal a secret. This is a secret conversation. Yes, this is a secret information. So that's the nuance. This add in the sentence. Okay. So for example, if you eat a cake, alright? So normally we just say ケーキを食べます. Yes, I will eat cake. Yes, ケーキを食べます. But you secretly eat a cake. Yes, okay. Or you keep it as a secret information. You say ケーキを食べるんです。ケーキを食べるんです。Yes. ケーキを食べるんです。Yes! That's kind of your nuance is added, okay? So, dictionary form 食べるんです。Okay? Or if you, restrict your sweet things, now I will not eat cake. Yes, in that case, ケーキを食べません is neutral. Yes, you just say I don't eat cake. But if you talk with your friend and then, you know what, I will never ever eat cake. In that case, ケーキを食べないんです。Using ない form. Okay, ケーキを食べないんです。Yes, I reveal my secret. This is secret, okay? I will not eat cake. 食べないんです。Okay? Yes. Or if you are a naughty child, you secretly ate a cake. Yes, from mommy's cupboard. Yes. ケーキを食べました is neutral. Okay? But when you use star form, ケーキを食べたんです。食べたんです。Yes. So I ate cake. Yes. ケーキを食べたんです。Yes. So this is ケーキを食べました ate cake is a secret. Yes. I reveal it. ケーキを食べたんです。Yes. So that's the ta form and then this. That's past tense. Okay. Or if you're not naughty child and then no, I didn't eat cake. I'm a good one. So in that case, ケーキを食べなかったんです。ケーキを食べなかったんです。So the neutral sentence is ケーキを食べませんでした. It just describes the fact you didn't eat cake. Okay? But if you use ケーキを食べなかったんです. It's a kind of secret conversation. I didn't eat cake. I'm a good one. Yes, okay? So that's the way. When you use this plain form and this sentence, this is just a one very important point you need to memorize is when you use na adjective or noun and then present tense, it should be na ending. Okay, so na adjective and noun present tense, noun sentences, when you make it plain form for the ending normally da. For example, 元気だ or 学生だ. Yes, so that's a plain form, short form, na adjective or noun sentence, present tense. But when we link to this, it changes to na ending. So for example, yes, あの人は有名です。It means that person is famous. Okay? But you want to tell your friend this secret information. That person is actually very famous. In that case, あの人は有名なんです。Because 有名 is an adjective. Okay? 有名なんです。有名なんです。Yes, so we do a secret. Or noun sentence, for example, that person is a teacher. あの人は先生です。This is neutral, but if you treat this information as a secret, あの人は先生なんです。Yes, 先生なんです。先生 is noun, so its the ending is na. 先生なんです。Yeah, but when it's changed to negative or past tense negative, it's the normal, it follows the normal plain form rules. For example, that person was famous. あの人は有名だったんです。Yes? So, only present tense, no adjective and noun sentence, it's, you need to use na. Alright? Okay, that's all for today. I hope this video is help your Japanese learning. See you next time. さよなら。またね。